Hi guys, I'm Annie from PaperSecretsInk. Today I am here to help you make the red pockets you downloaded from our Facebook group. Everything is linked in the description box below. There are two versions, follow along, and most importantly, have fun! First, print out on a piece of A4 paper. Then you can either use your cutting machine or scissors. You'll see light gray dotted lines on the paper, so fold on those dotted lines. Once you're done, you can start gluing the flats. Be careful when you're gluing flap 1. Don't put glue over the whole panel. As you can see right here, when you fold panel 2 over, it doesn't completely cover panel 1. Here, I am using double-sided tape from Amazon to put everything together. Now you're done!